Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ever wish you could use your favorite PS4 controller for your PC games? Well, good news. Many modern PC titles truly shine with a controller, and connecting your DualShock 4 to your computer via Bluetooth is actually quite straightforward. In this updated guide for 2025, we'll walk through each step to get you gaming wirelessly in no time, ensuring a smoother, more comfortable experience for all your favorite titles. Before we dive in, let's quickly gather what you'll need. First, obviously, you'll need your PlayStation 4 DualShock 4 controller. Second, your PC needs Bluetooth. Most newer desktops and laptops have it built in, but if not, a small, inexpensive USB Bluetooth adapter works perfectly. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your PC's Bluetooth drivers are up to date. This helps ensure a smooth and reliable connection right from the start. Now, let's get your controller ready for connection. The very first thing you need to do is put your PS4 DualShock 4 into its special pairing mode. This is super easy. Just press and hold down both the small PlayStation button in the middle and the share button on the left side at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the light bar on the back of your controller begin to flash rapidly. That rapid flashing means it's actively looking for a device to connect with. With your controller flashing, it's time to connect it to your PC. On your computer, head over to your settings, then click on Bluetooth and Devices. From there, select Add Device and choose the Bluetooth option. Your PC will then start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. In a moment, you should see Wireless Controller appear in the list. Just click on it, and your computer will automatically pair with your PS4 controller, establishing that wireless link. All right, your controller should now be connected. Open up your favorite PC game or even a quick online controller tester just to make sure everything's working perfectly. If you find some games don't recognize it, or if you want more advanced customization, I highly recommend checking out DS for Windows. This free software allows your PS4 controller to behave like an Xbox controller, which dramatically improves compatibility with almost every PC game out there, giving you full control and a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.